Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. In IELTS speaking, most important component is IELTS speaking part 2. In IELTS speaking part 2, sometimes students don't know how to spend 1 minute and how to speak on the topic for 1 to 2 minutes. So in this video, I'm going to tell you when you receive the cue card, what is it that you have to see in the cue card and how to jot down some notes so that you could speak comfortably for 1 to 2 minutes. Okay. All right, guys, let's make a start. Now, the topic is somewhat like describe a teacher who influenced you. The first thing that you have to do when you get the topic, you have to see two things. First of all, observe the verb. Now, over here, influenced is the verb. And you can see this verb is in second form of the word. Second form of the verb. Or this is the second form of the verb. Influenced. Right? This means this cue card is in the past tense. Second, they are asking me to describe a teacher. So a teacher who influenced me. So I need to think about a teacher who influenced me, right? So tense is past, topic is teacher who influenced me. Now when they've used the past tense, it means you can talk about any teacher who taught you in your school, college, university and all that stuff. Now then they say the key points you should say, right? These key points will be given in actual exam as well. When and where you met this teacher. Now listen, when means location. Okay, so when means place, school, college, university, or you join any vocational institute, there you met a teacher. When means time, age or stage of your life. For example, when you were 10, when you were 15, when you were at college. And location is actually school, college, university and all that. When and where you met. Again, met is second form of the verb. This is the past tense. So, for example, I met this teacher when I shifted to class 9th. In fact, he was my science teacher. When we were promoted from class 8 to class 9, there was this new subject, chemistry, and Johnson was my chemistry teacher. I met him there, and at that time I was hardly 16. Something like this, okay? You need to create not a story, but you need to exaggerate around each point. Whatever the cues are, for example, this is a cue, this is a cue, this is a cue, this is a cue. So you need to exaggerate around the cues. Next, who the teacher was. Now, who means personality of the teacher. And the subject he taught, all right, means his specific area. Well, this teacher was my chemistry teacher, as I've already mentioned, and his specialization was in biochemistry. And well, he had recently joined school and we were his first class. In fact, he was my class teacher. I still remember we used to have first period and Johnson used to be there teaching us chemistry, formulas, chemicals and all that. So Johnson was a very expert person and in fact he was a scientist as well. Later on I realized about him that he had discovered certain things in the field of chemistry, and luckily once I read his article in an international journal and then I realized that he was a great chemist. Something like this, okay? Do we call chemist to a person who studies chemistry? But we can say that, no problem. Next, why this teacher's lessons were special. Why means reason. And lessons were special. Now, over here, you can come up with signposting. Why this teacher's lessons were special. His lessons were literally unique. For lesson, you can use the word lecture. For special, you can use the word unique, right? So, Johnson's or Mr. Johnson's or Sir Johnson's lessons or lecture was amazing. And there are certain reasons behind that. First of all, his communication was very strong. Whatever he used to deliver, it could come to us very clearly without any hindrance. Second, his voice was beautiful. Like I would say, he had alluring voice, and whenever he delivered the lecture, we were forced to listen to him because of the impact of his voice that he had on us. And finally, it was the interaction with the students. His lessons were never boring. He used to interact with students one by one. In the middle of the lesson, he used to ask questions, and above all, he used to cut jokes while delivering his lessons, and most of his jokes, they were related to chemistry. That made him my favorite teacher, or such type of things made him my favorite teacher. And finally, explain how this teacher influenced you. Now explain how, method or manner, this teacher influenced you. First of all, this teacher influenced me the way he talked. I learned a lot about communication skills from him. In fact, when I became a teacher, I copied him. I copied his style. Second, I learned how to dress up well because he had wonderful sense of dressing. He always dressed up very nicely. He used to look like a professor or a teacher from the way he used to dress up. So I learned about that. And thirdly, his mannerism was great. Like he was very polite. He used to use the words like please, thank you, good morning, greetings and all that. So these are the things that influenced me about him, and he is, even today, he is my favorite teacher. Something like this, okay? And explain how this teacher influenced you. So like this, they would give you the topic. And remember, warning. Never pick up the topic, describe a teacher who influenced you. Okay, no problem. I can speak on this topic for 10 minutes. No, you need to cover all these points which have been given here. Although there is no penalty, although it is not compulsory to cover these points, but if you cover these points, you are highly likely to get good bench score. If you leave out any point, and still you have spoken for a minute, there is no penalty. If you cover 2 points and leave out 2 points, but you speak for 1.5 minutes, there is no penalty on that as well. Okay, so don't worry about it. But if you speak according to the cues, it will be easier for you to manage the time, because if you speak less than a minute, you'll be penalized, and for more than 2 minutes they don't allow you to speak. Examiner will say okay, thank you. So guys, this is how to deal with cue card. Now come what may, whatever the topic is, whatever the cue card is, this technique is going to help you, and very comfortably you can speak on any cue card for 1 to 2 minutes. Thank you so much. I also teach IELTS online all over the world and in campus in Lahore, Pakistan. And we offer IELTS test booking service in Pakistan, anywhere. If you want to appear in IELTS exam and you want to book your test, you're coming from a foreign country and you want to book your IELTS exam before your arrival, we offer those services in Pakistan. Thank you so much. WhatsApp number is given. You can contact me there. Take care. Allah Hafiz. Bye-bye.